Hello friends, and welcome to AK Agrawal Aptitude series. Friends, in this session we are going to learn a technique for solving a problem of data interpretation using pie chart. Here the given problem is expenditure details in percentage of a college is given in pie chart given below. The total expenditure of the company of the college, if we see, on infrastructure college is investing 20%, on salary college is investing 30%, on labs college is investing 25%, on R&D college is investing 15%, on advertisement 6% and others 4%. This is the distribution of expenditure of a college in percentage. Based on this pie chart, the question is, if college invested rupees 45 lakhs for labs, what is the total investment on salary? 44, 50, 54 or 58 lakhs. 45 lakhs is the investment for labs. Here if you see, for labs 25% investment is there, but he is saying 45 lakhs are invested on labs. It means if we assume total investment by the college is rupees X, then 25% of X is equal to 45, because total investment is X. On labs 25% investment is there, so 25% of X is equal to 45 lakhs, because 45 lakhs are invested for labs. It means 25 into X divided by 100 is equal to 45. It gives X is equal to 180 lakhs. It means total investment by the college is rupees 180 lakhs on various activities. Now the question is, what is the total investment on salary? On salary 30% of total investment is there. Total investment is rupees 180, on salary it is 30%. So investment on salary is 30% of X is equal to 30 into 180 divided by 100 is equal to 54 lakhs. So total investment on salary is 54 lakhs if total investment on the college is rupees 180 lakhs. Now based on the same information, the another question which we have to answer is, if total investment is 80 lakhs, then investment on R&D is less than infrastructure by. Means if total investment on the college is rupees 80 lakhs, then investment on R&D is less than infrastructure by. Means difference between the infrastructure and R&D expenditure is how much? So to answer this question, difference of infrastructure and R&D, on infrastructure 20% of 80 is the investment, because total is the 80 lakh is the investment, and on R&D it is the 15% of 80, 15% investment is there on R&D. So difference of infrastructure and R&D is 20 minus 15 is equal to 5% of 80 lakhs. So 5% of 80 lakhs is equal to 5 into 80 divided by 100 is equal to 4 lakhs. So answer is 4 lakhs. Similarly, based on the similar pie chart, there may be n number of questions, and in this manner you can answer all such questions in minimum time. Friends, thank you very much for watching this video. You can also follow me on